Gonna go ride some bikes today and do what we used to do in the old days. I've got to go and pick the boys up, and then we're gonna head to a place called Higator, which is close to Sheffield. Looking forward to getting out on the bike, but yesterday I did a full-blown daddy day in the garden, so I have got very sore hands and the athlete excuses are coming thick and fast. Just got to HQ, full team out. Full team out. Check this out. There's Rob. There's me brother. There's the foreman. Mate, every time you say I don't consent to a vlog, you do a little bit where you pause of you saying Rob doesn't consent to this vlog.
It was a good deep one, mate.
I just bit my fingers. Very good. Today we're out doing what we used to do every day as kids, riding bikes and trying our best to get better. I guess practice makes perfect, but today it's not easy because, well, I've got Rob with me.
No.
And we're gonna get some riding done. Proper trials riding today. So pretty pumped about that.
Put your patch on and carry on then, son.
Get a patch on you?
This in Stoke, yeah?
Yeah.
Screw to my tyre though.
Yes! Yes!
Oh.
I thought you broke out in a demo. Stop. Skill pitch. Oh, try!
Definitely going to be my biggest friend.
That was on the camera as well! Yes! It's just sort of roll down to the van. So what have you
That is.
What have you done there, Rob? Just show the nice people.
It's the Stoke puncture repair. Just cut the, once you've tied the knot, you cut the excess off.
Yeah.
Do a bit of a neat job.
This is a how-to, isn't it?
You don't need that. There you go.
To be fair, that's actually a really good idea.
And
it's probably going to work.
we've got a 24-inch tube.
For those kind of wondering what just happened, Rob just fixed a puncture by tying a big knot in it. Yeah, I think it's going to catch on in all forms of cycling, maybe. We'll see. Done some riding. Rob's tied a knot in a tube, which is some next level mechanicking. And it's now time for me to go home to get a paddling pool out, because that's what I've been told I need to do. It's freezing. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Almost Pro Daily. Remember, it's daily, so there's one every day. So come join us. See you tomorrow.